Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to quickly just order some things on AliExpress and I felt the need to show you guys how to order on AliExpress. It's very easy. I've ordered so many things on AliExpress before and it's quite easy. The first thing you want to do is create a virtual dollar account. Make sure you have a virtual dollar account, especially if you are in Nigeria or any other country apart from US and every other country. Yeah, you have to have a virtual dollar account, and that's what you're going to use to buy stuff on AliExpress. Yeah, so I have a couple of things that I have added to my cart which I want to buy, and I'll show you. You see every step on how I do so. So the first thing you want to do is that if you look at it, it's showing us in Naira, which you do not. I mean, you can't be able to buy in Naira, which is just going to be very confusing. You can only buy in dollars, and you have to. That's why you have a virtual account, dollar account, so you buy in dollars. But if this is in Naira, it's going to confuse you. So what you want to do is this showing you click on it and then you can see ship to, yeah, you're actually shipping to Nigeria. But if you're not in Nigeria, any other country, you can select the appropriate one. Then language is English, yes. And then currency, you can see that Nigerian currency. No, we don't want it Nigerian currency, we want it in US dollar. So you click on US dollar and then click on save. Yeah, so it has converted to dollars. You can see that most of our stuffs are now in dollars. The next thing you want to do is connect your card or add your card, which is your virtual dollar card, to AliExpress. And you can do that by going to your setting, click on setting, and then you click on payments. Yeah, it displays this, and then you can now um, add new card here. So this is where you add new card. You click on add new card and then add in your details, your card number, card name of card, and then everything, and then you click on save. So after you saved it, everything is saved here. So you can see this mine that I have. Yeah, so after everything, you then go to shipping address. Yeah, so you can see this is my shipping address. So you click on shipping address and then you see add new. You click on add new and then you can add in your details, your Nigeria, if you're not in Nigeria, any other country you are from, you select your contact information, your mobile number, your address, zip code. Then you click on confirm. Yeah, so this is how to add your shipping address. Then after you've done that, you go back to where you selected your items that you want to get. So I will go to where I selected my items. It's not on the normal selection. I selected from bundle deals. You click on bundle deals. So one thing with this bundle deals is that you can select more than three items and then the shipping is going to be free. Yes, it's going to be different from just selecting normal selection and adding it to your cart. So in this place, you can select so many things and all of it, the shipping is free. Yeah, you can see that I selected so many things here. You can see all these are all the things I selected. These are everything I selected. There are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there are 10 things I selected here, and everything goes for 43.50 dollars. So the next thing I want to do is after selecting it. So if you are satisfied with what you have selected, I think you can't select more than 10. 10 is the limit you can select, but you can select less than 10 as well. And then when you're selecting, try to look for the cheaper ones. Some are cheaper, probably by $2 or more of stuff. Not really that expensive. The difference is not really much, maybe two, three, $4, but it's still something. So after you selected, what you want to do now is click on checkout. Yeah. So we click on checkout. So I'm supposed to pay 55.71, but literally because I'm using that, and that's why it's reduced to 43. So you can see that shipping fee is shipping fee is free. Even though I selected like 10 things, they are free. Make sure that it is what you selected. Yes, I selected these, yeah. I selected these, yeah, 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 these as well, yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is all what I selected. Then I'll now go ahead and click on pay. So my order has been shipped, and then to know if your order is being shipped, what you do is that you click on this AliExpress, and then You go to this your profile here where it shows this person, and then you now check on your order, my order, and click on my order. So it then takes you to this place where you can actually see that your order has been made, right? To ship, there are 10 things to ship. You will check to ship, and then you can see that these are all the things that they are supposed to ship to me. Yeah. So when the order is being shipped, it will move to this place. You can see that you will see that the 10 orders are being shipped here, and then everything in process, and then you wait for your order. So that is how to um buy things on AliExpress. It's very easy and very easy. So yeah, bye.